that game on Sunday. Gotta work a double on Monday. Yeah, I wish that stack of bills would go on and pay themselves. And that glass looks half empty, I fill it up, don't let it get me down. If I know one thing, you gotta take it all with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila, it all gets to fading with one, two, maybe three margaritas. Throw them back and watch them wash all your worries away. At the end of the day, all you gotta do is take life with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila. Ain't much worth stressing over, let it roll right off your shoulder. Time flies and life is short, so why not have one more with a dash on the rim? Pour it strong, mix it in when it don't go your way. Take it all with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila, it all gets fading with one, two, maybe three margaritas. Throw them back and watch them wash all your worries away. At the end of the day, all you gotta do is take life with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila. Just a dash on the rim, pour it strong, mix it in, yeah, you know what to say. Take it all with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila, it all gets to fading with one, two, maybe three margaritas. Throw them back and watch them wash all your worries away. At the end of the day, all you gotta do is take life with a grain of salt. Lime and tequila. It's salt, lime and tequila.
Let's learn salt, lime, and tequila. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 2-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing a couple rotations of the dance so that you can dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn salt, lime, and tequila. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side, bring your left foot in next to your right and take weight onto that left foot. We're now going to do a quarter shuffle over our right shoulder, stepping our right foot to the side, left foot together, and a quarter turn stepping forward with your right foot. You'll end that part at 3 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your left and make a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot. You're now at 6 o'clock. And we're going to do a crossing shuffle, left over our right, cross our left over our right foot to the side, left foot over right. Let's try that part with some counts. Weights on your left foot, stepping that right foot to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, your weight is on your left foot, slightly crossed over your right. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, step it forward and across your left. Point your left toe to the left side, step it forward and across your right. You're going to step your right foot out into the right diagonal, left foot out to the left diagonal, and you're going to do a right coaster step, stepping your right foot back, left together, right forward. Let's try that part with some counts. We ended the previous section with our left cross over our right. We're doing our point steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That section to end is a V-step with a coaster step, if that helps you think of the step names. Section 3, we're going to do step lock-in triples to the left and right diagonal. So we're going to step our left foot forward into the left diagonal, bring your right foot in and behind your right, and then you're going to do a shuffle forward with the left foot, left, right, left. We're going to do the same thing to the right diagonal, stepping our right foot into the diagonal, left foot in and behind your right, and then a locking shuffle forward with your right, right, left, right. Let's try that part with some counts. We just did our coaster step. Your weight is on your right foot into that left diagonal. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, and to end the dance, we're going to do a jazz box that stays at this wall. So we're going to cross our left over our right, step our right foot back, left foot to the side, and right foot slightly forward. You're now going to rock forward with your left foot, recover onto your right, and you're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping that left foot back, right together, and cross your left over your right to start the dance all over again. Let's try that last part with some counts. We would have just done our locking shuffle into the right diagonal, weights on your right foot, jazz box with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. End of dance, and you would start all over by stepping your right foot to the right side. If you choose not to cross over, it's not that big of a deal. The crossover just allows your body to already be heading in the direction that you would like to head. Let's do that front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Weights on your left foot. We're stepping that right foot to the side. It's side together, quarter shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, point cross, out, out, coaster step with the right. Now left lock, left shuffle, right lock, right shuffle, left jazz box, cross, back, side step forward, left rock recover, left coaster step with a cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you're ready to start the dance all over again. We never have to worry about the side wall, so your only focus is the front and the back. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we will do counts. Let's do a couple rotations of it so you can make sure you know how it all flows. Weights on that left foot, stepping our right foot to the side, side together, quarter shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle, point, cross, out, out, right coaster step, step, lock, and shuffle, step, lock, and shuffle, left jazz box, cross, back, side, forward, left rock recover, left coaster cross, stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right side together, quarter shuffle forward, step, quarter pivot, crossing shuffle now, point cross, out, out, coaster step with the right, left lock, step and shuffle, right step, lock and shuffle, jazz box, cross, back, side step forward, left rock recover, left coaster cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you would dance the rest of the way through. Now the dance does end on the back wall after your coaster cross. And if you would like to end facing the front, it's not on the step sheet, but you can just do a half unwind to face the front if you like to end at 12 o'clock. That is all for salt, lime, and tequila. I hope this helped you learn it. And if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.